What level of accuracy does an electronic balance provide for mass measurement? A. Correct up to the kilogram. B. Correct up to the milligram. C. Correct up to the gram. D. Correct up to the centigram. The correct answer is B. Correct up to the milligram. What are common forms of metallic money mentioned? A. Debit cards and credit cards. B. Gold and silver. C. Paper currency and coins. D. Stocks and bonds. The correct answer is B. Gold and silver. Where are the jaws of a leech located? A. Near the pharynx. B. Inside the mouth. C. On the suckers. D. In the salivary glands. The correct answer is B. Inside the mouth. What period in ancient Tamilkam synchronized with the megalithic period? A. Later Vedic culture. B. Chalcolithic culture. C. Harappan culture. D. Pre-Sangam period. The correct answer is D. Pre-Sangam period. What characteristic of borosilicate glass makes it resistant to cracking when heated? A. High thermal conductivity. B. Low specific heat capacity. C. Minimal expansion on heating. D. High melting point. The correct answer is C. Minimal expansion on heating. What type of plant is Theresa Greenaway's book Plant Kingdom likely about? A. Only fungi. B. All plant types. C. Only angiosperms. D. Only algae. The correct answer is B. All plant types. What concept is described as a crucial component in the smooth running of country affairs? A. Governance. B. Debt management. C. Taxation. D. Public services. The correct answer is A. Governance. What was the sale of indulgences? A. Payment to local lords. B. Payment to the Catholic Church. C. Payment to the monarch. D. Payment to the poor. The correct answer is B. Payment to the Catholic Church. What did the Russian Communist government encourage colonies to do? A. Fight for their freedom. B. Ally with Russia. C. Develop trade relations. D. Adopt communism. The correct answer is A. Fight for their freedom. How is the position of the governor of a state compared to the President of India? A. As the head of the judiciary. B. As the legislative leader. C. As a real executive. D. As a nominal executive. The correct answer is D. As a nominal executive. What is Selvi doing while helping her mother cook rice? A. Separating stones from the rice. B. Adding spices. C. Stirring the rice. D. Washing the dishes. The correct answer is A. Separating stones from the rice. What is the A3 concept in tourism comprised of? A. Accommodation, attractions, activities. B. Attraction, adventure, amenities. C. Attraction, accessibility, amenities. D. Accessibility, amenities, activities. The correct answer is C. Attraction, accessibility, amenities. What role did the rulers play in administration? A. Non-existent. B. Advisory. C. Significant. D. Minimal. The correct answer is C. Significant. What did people from the ancient period potentially wish to record? A. Events or information. B. Their daily activities. C. Religious beliefs. D. Their dreams. The correct answer is A. Events or information. What instrument is used at milk processing units and dairies to determine the relative density of milk? A. Lactometer. B. Hydrometer. C. Barometer. D. Thermometer. The correct answer is A. Lactometer. What happened to Thomas Alva Edison's hearing capacity when he was a child? A. It remained unchanged. B. It improved significantly. C. It was reduced. D. It fluctuated unpredictably. The correct answer is C. It was reduced. What is another name for peat plastic, as mentioned in the text? A. Polycarbonate. B. Polyester. C. Polythene. D. Polyvinyl. The correct answer is B. Polyester. What does virtual water represent when commodities are traded? A. The hidden flow of water. B. The amount of rainfall. C. The volume of rivers. D. The visible flow of water. The correct answer is A. The hidden flow of water. What is used as fuel for solar cells? A. Sunlight. B. Natural gas. C. Coal. D. Petroleum. The correct answer is A. Sunlight. In what year did Akbar prohibit child marriage? A. 1920. Born in 1890. Circa 1846. D. 1914. The correct answer is D. 1914. What happens to soft rocks in a river bed when hard rocks project outwards? A. They get eroded quickly. B. They become potholes. C. They form levees. D. They create waterfalls. The correct answer is A. They get eroded quickly. What form of energy transfer allows heat to cross a vacuum? A. Convection. B. Conduction. C. Radiation. D. Diffusion. The correct answer is C. Radiation. In what unit is calorific value measured? A. Col kg1. B. J kg1. C. kj kg1. D. kjg1. The correct answer is C. kj kg1. What did Luther reject as a means to salvation? A. Scripture reading. B. Ceremonies and penances. C. Preaching sermons. D. Belief in God. The correct answer is B. Ceremonies and penances. Which metals form the alloy solder? A. Mercury and lead. B. Copper and zinc. C. Lead and tin. D. Copper and tin. The correct answer is C. Lead and tin. When did the Older Consumer Protection Act come into force? A. October 2019. B. October 1986. C. 24th December 2019. D. 24th December 1986. The correct answer is D. 24th December 1986. Which new religious faith mentioned in the text developed in India? A. Taoism. B. Jainism. C. Zoroastrianism. D. Confucianism. The correct answer is B. Jainism. What did the sculptures of the Pallav period often depict? A. Images in dancing postures. B. Agricultural scenes. C. Daily life activities. D. Are war victories. The correct answer is A. Images in dancing postures. Which Buddhist concept refers to the impermanence of all things? A. Anatma. B. Salvation. C. Karma. D. Anita. The correct answer is D. Anita. The text mentions a role for FCI in what historical agricultural movement? A. Blue Revolution. B. White Revolution. C. Green Revolution. D. Yellow Revolution. The correct answer is C. Green Revolution. How did you score?